A difference of squares is a binomial in the form a squared minus b squared, where each term represents a perfect square separated by a subtraction sign. To factor a squared minus b squared, we start by opening up two sets of brackets. Next, we take the square root of the first term. The square root of a squared is a, and we write inside the bracket a and a at the beginning of each bracket. We do the same thing for the second term. The square root of b squared is b, and we write b and b at the end of each bracket. To finish these two factors, we insert the signs, remembering that one of the signs has to be positive and the other negative. The negative does not have to be second or the positive first. We can simply rearrange it and write the negative sign first and the positive second, as long as we remember the factors have to have opposite signs. Let's try another example. 9x squared minus 25. We start by opening up two sets of brackets. We take the square root of 9x squared, which gives us 3x and 3x in the front of each bracket. The square root of 25 is 5, and we write 5 and 5 at the end of each bracket. And then we insert our signs, one positive and one negative. And one final example before we end today. Let's factor 1 minus 100p squared. Once again, our two sets of brackets. The square root of 1, we write 1 and 1 in front. The square root of 100p squared is 10p, so we write 10p and 10p at the end of our bracket. And finally, we insert our signs, one positive and one negative sign.